Alright, take two. Let's do the gluing. We'll see how long it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't have it in there right, so I'm going to put some more glue on there and make sure I do it correctly. This is the only second bowl I've ever done with it, so I'm still learning as well as you guys. Get that glue on there pretty good. I'm actually going to bring that back a little bit. Pretty exciting stuff. Nope, it's not good enough. I need more time. Maybe it's very humid. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. There is some glue coming out of there. I don't like it, but I'm using too much glue already. You don't need very much. Way too much. You can see I'm only putting a little bit of glue on there. Probably way too much. Such a weird concept with the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we bring it back to the next red one. And I guess it really doesn't matter which one I go for next. I'm going purple. Purple heart. It's not even noon yet, and it's hotter than tamales in here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll do that to each and every row. We'll go back to the 2 ash. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She's doing it. Another one of the ash. The less glue, the better, I guess. You want enough to glue it on there, but you don't want any glue coming out of the glue out or whatever it is. Hold that in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we move it to the next red line. And then we go to the walnut. This is going a lot faster than the sanding, I'll tell you that. That sanding, I ended up taking the station in the room and watching YouTube videos while I sanded. It took forever to sand all these. That was the hardest part. It's 10 seconds. We'll go to the next red line. I alternate between the red and the blue, just to help me keep track of what I'm doing. You want the segment length that you measure when you cut on the outside and the small end on the inside, of course. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we just keep doing this until we run out of space to do it. Alternating 2 and 1, 2 and 1. I'm actually getting better on the amount of glue I use. Big finger, oh, that was too soon on that one. Hopefully I can keep it in place. I'm actually going to bring it down and make sure I get it right, and I'll re-glue that one. Because I want that perfect, so I'll hold it a little longer. I'm trying to hurry it for the video, but it might be good to give it 10-15 seconds. Earl does it in 5. I don't know if the guy's got super strength hands or better glue, or if he's in a cooler climate. I'm not sure how he gets it. I don't want to use too little glue and have the whole thing come apart when I'm trying to turn it. That would be disastrous. Push it back against my stop block and then push it against my board. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got a little bit of glue on my finger, which could cause it to pull off while I'm doing that. And then we just want to keep alternating. I got purple next. Then we go back to the ash, and to the walnut. Just trust the machine. Back to the ash. See? I got big fingers, it messes me up. I'm going to put more glue on there and make sure I get it good. I'm pressing the glue out of there already. I've not given it enough time to set. So just take your time. This, I guess, open segments is patience, 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 which a lot of times I'm short on. But you got to do it right the first time or don't bother doing it. Way too much glue on that one, I'm pretty sure. Got a lot of glue out. Squeeze out, that's the word I'm looking for. Just slowly put it in there. You can see I am getting some glue squeeze out. I'm going to clean that up after about 10 minutes or so. I'll do the first ring and I'll clean up what I can. Trust the machine though. Don't touch the other ones once you get it going. And that's the process for this layer. I'll bring you back and sand it and start the next one. I won't bore you to make you watch 15 minutes of this. We're at about 10 minutes. I'm going to glue a couple more just so you can see, and I'll even zoom in so you can see that I'm getting some squeeze out. Not a whole lot, but enough to make me want to clean it up. And it is hot as the blazes here in Sarasota, Florida. The next red line, since Purple Heart was there, now we go to Walnut. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when I get this one done and I go to the sanding phase, because we want to make sure that we have a flat surface to sand the next layer on. See if I can't zoom in over here and show you some of that glue out, or squeeze out. There you go. I'm going to pull you off the tripod. And you can see that I actually do have some fair amount of glue out. We'll come around the other way. Focus. There we go. It's pretty. There's some fair glue out, or squeeze out, and you can see my lines, my blue lines and my red lines. We're going red line for this one. The next layer will be blue line, the next layer will be red line, blue line, etc. So that's how it's looking right now. So again, this is the Seg Easy, or open segment jig with the platform. You can see the good shot of the block there, stop block. And rather than just go by the plans that I got off of my Segmented Pro Turner computer program, the computer aided drafting for the bowls, I went ahead and brought it to the edge where I just to make sure I have enough room, and that's how I'll do my edges. So as you can see, I'm dripping already. So I'm going to finish up this layer, and I'll get you back when we start sanding to get it flat, and we'll start the second layer. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the world keeps turning. Turn with it. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs down. Great to see you, and I'm glad to be back. Hopefully I'll get a bunch of videos out in the next few days, and we'll get these projects finished and move on to the next one. Thanks a lot for coming. Have a great day.